Teachers on the Move. I am Laila Don Bilandio.
And I'm Christine Jane Palomado. Today, we will focus on one learning philosophy that continues to shape classroom today, which is
Behaviorism and Technology. Joining us are our fellow future educators, Ms. Prezi Anyana and Mr. Jim Castor Ocampo.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you today, ma'am?
I'm good.
Doing good.
So can you say hi to our listeners?
Hi everyone. I'm happy to share my insight about behaviorism and technology.
Hello, excited to talk about how behaviorism blends with modern technology tools.
Okay, so to start, could you both share a bit about your background and how you became involved in teaching or educational technology?
So, I became interested in teaching because I love helping my classmates understand our lessons.
Wow.
Later, when I learned about different learning theories, behaviorism stood out to me. So, as for technology, most of our activities were digital, so I naturally explored apps that support our learning.
For me, it started with my love for technology, editing videos, creating digital presentation, and exploring apps and exploring apps. When I entered BPED, I realized how technology can actually shape behavior and motivation in the classroom, which connects so well with behaviorism.
That's wonderful. We completely agree. So, hearing your stories really shows how personal experiences shape our goals as future educators.
So as for Mr. Ocampo, as have you mentioned earlier that you like or you love editing videos, do you do vlogs or something like?
Yes, I do vloggings, but my content is all about a day in my life as a student athlete.
Wow. How about you, ma'am? Do you do vlog?
Nah, that's not my forte.
What is your part?
I love reading books.
Wow.
That's what
I also love reading books.
Wow.
Yes.
Can we read together?
So what experiences shape your view on how students learn best?
So during our felt exposure, I noticed that students learn better with clear instructions, structured tasks, and immediate feedback. So whenever they receive praise or correction right away, their performance improves. So that's how behaviorism in action.
Same here. When I tutored younger kids, I saw that they responded well towards levels and visual progress, tracking especially when using learning apps. Those experiences made me appreciate how behaviorism and technology can work together.
Yes, absolutely. Those strong insights. We agree that students' reinforcement really helps students learn effectively.
Okay, so among all learning philosophies, why does behaviorism reflect your approach the most?
So it is behaviorism because behaviorism is clear and practical. So it focuses on observable behavior, repetition, reinforcement, and mastery. For PE, especially drills, practices, and consistent feedback really help students perform better.
I also appreciate behaviorism, especially when using technology. Students became more motivated when they see results instantly, whether it's score, badge, or a progress bar.
Yes, that makes sense. Now we agree that behaviorism stays relevant today, especially with technology making reinforcement easier and more immediate.
Yes. So can you share a teaching moment where behaviorism guided your decision?
So one of my experience is during our demo teaching. So I use positive reinforcement, simple things like great job, that to appreciate my students' response. So through this, it encouraged students to participate actively and perform consistently.
Mine was during a digital quiz I created. The app gave instant feedback, so students immediately knew if their answer was right or wrong. That immediately reinforced helped them adjust and improve on the spot.
Oh,
So, yes, we totally agree, right? So, those are great examples. Technology really brings the principles of behaviorism to life. So, technology is very important today, right?
so do you think today's digital learners require updates to traditional behaviorism?
Yes, because students today are used to fast responses. So behaviorism still works, but technology makes reinforcement quicker and more engaging.
I agree that technology allows new forms of reinforcement. Sound effects, badges, levels, streaks, emojis. This fits modern learners better and make behaviorism strategies more motivating.
Yes, true, we agree completely.
Yes.
Behaviorism isn't outdated, no? It just needs to evolve alongside modern tools.
So, how does technology support or enhance behaviorism?
So for me, technology is perfect for behaviorism. So because it provides instant feedback. So apps like Kahoot, Quizlet, or even Google Forms show result right away. So that immediate reinforcement strengthens desired behaviors.
Technology also helps track behavior and progress digital. Rubrics, behavior charts, and reward system. Make reinforcement more visible, students can see their improvement, and that motivates them to continue.
Yes, technology definitely strengthens the reinforcement cycle that behaviorism emphasizes.
And what digital tools shape your teaching practice the most?
So I'd say for me that it's Quizlet, Google Classroom, and YouTube tutorials because they help me give feedback, monitor progress, and reinforce correct performance, especially in a skill task, skills task.
For me, I prefer apps like ClassPaint, WordWall, and even simple timers or clickers help reinforce participation and correct responses. They all support behaviorist strategies.
Yes, those platforms are powerful, no? When paired with behaviorist strategies.
So you two really do have different tools you use for shaping your teaching practices. Yes. So for the last question we have here, should technology just enhance behaviorism or just to transfer it?
So for me, I think it should enhance first so teachers and students can adjust comfortably. So behaviorism works well and technology can make it another and more engaging.
I believe that technology should eventually transform behaviorism through gamification, adaptive learning software, and personalized reinformation, reinforcement. This go beyond additional methods.
So yes,
We agree on both sides.
yes, technology can enhance, but it can also transform when used creatively.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Ms. Frazi Anyana and Mr. Jim Castro Ocampo, for sharing your thoughts on behaviorism and technology.
So it's our pleasure to share what we have learned and experienced with these theories.
Yeah.
And thank you to our listeners for
Joining us. Yes, we are hope to our listeners guide valuable ideas for their future learning. So this is
Edu Talk, where future teachers prepare for the future of learning. Until next time, I am Laila Don Vilandio,
I'm Christine Jane Calomado.
signing off from
Edu
Talk.
Talk.